Hello mga ka-Health Hub! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, OSAP's Collectible Hubs and Health Services. So this is my collections of my auto and relic collections, WWE, NBA, and Marvel. So here we go. This is my how I protect my cards. So I have my case. Okay, so first I'm going to show you my relics collection, mga ka-Health Hub. So I'm a collector of my favorite WWE, NBA, and Marvel. So I'm very avid fan of those what do you call that, my favorite in anything that can make me happy. Okay, so here we go. I have a okay, by the way, I'm very glad to have this phone so I can show you while I'm unboxing my collection. At the same time, you can see me my reaction, mga ka-Health Hub. Okay, so this is Superstar autograph of Austin Theory, 8 down. So this is a Panini. Okay, Panini Impeccable. Okay, his autograph. Okay, 8 down. Next, I'm going to show you a Marvel Auto that I hit from my blaster box of Marvel Allure, mga ka-Health Hub. So here, Loki Red, autograph of him, Red Auto from Infinity Saga. Okay, Loki. I'm a huge Marvel fan also, aside from WWE. So here we go. I have this Asuka Auto Relic from Select, Panini Select. What a nice Auto Relic. Okay, from Asuka. It is 137 out of 199. Okay, Asuka. Okay, next, mga ka-Health Hub, I have this Finn Balor. Okay, Topps autograph relic. So you can see my collection is still in plastic, so it is protected. Okay, Finn Balor. Okay, next I have this John Cena. Okay, relic John Cena Farewell Tour. It is going to be worldwide for WWE fans, so I'm a huge fan also of John Cena. Okay, 179 out of 299. Okay. Okay, raw. Next, I have this my favorite, Randy Orton, the Viper. Okay. This is the United States Championship relic of Randy Orton. Okay, a medallion card, as you can see. Okay, it is a medallion card, United States Championship. Next, another Randy Orton. This is the, what do you call this, the shirt relic and the matte relic. Okay, the Viper. I'm a huge fan of RKO. This is 34 out of 50. Okay, authentic dual relic card. Okay, from Topps WWE Undisputed. Okay, next one, we have the man, Becky Lynch. Okay, Becky Lynch. Okay, Royal Rumble relic, event use, matte relic card. Okay, Becky Lynch. Next, we have Rhea Ripley, the Eradicator. This is where my daughter gets her name. Okay, this is a patch card, commemorative championship plate. As you can see, my daughter there. Okay, Rhea Ripley. That's why we name her Clea Ripley, because her mother is Clara Burgos. Okay, so Clea Ripley. Okay, relic NXT. Next, we have Dirty Dom, Dominic Mysterio, Select relic card. Okay, from San Diego, California. Next, we have El Campeon, Damian Priest Select. memorabilia. Okay. Next one, we have Finn Balor. Okay. Select memorabilia also. Finn Balor. Next, we'll go now to the NBA. I have this Joe Harris. Select bronze throwback memorabilia. It is, what do you call this? 20 out of 49. Okay. Joe Harris from Brooklyn Nets. Okay. My idol in WWE, rather NBA. Mga ka-health hub. Joe Harris, Prism. Okay. Ice Crack Prism. Joe Harris. Okay. Okay, so we now go to the autographs. My autograph collections. Okay, WWE, Marvel, and NBA. So I have this, my favorite, Captain America, Civil War relic. Okay. Civil War relic, Captain America. Next, we have this Jeff Hardy, Turnbuckle relic card. Relic plus auto. Okay. Jeff Hardy. What do you call in WWE? He is the
enigmatic.
Okay, so Jeff Hardy, also a favorite of my wife. This is 11 out of 50. Okay, Turnbuckle relic card from Topps Fully Loaded. Next one, we have Shotzi, the one that I get from Panini Revolution WWE. Okay, Hobby Box, Shotzi. Okay, meron dugong Pinoy. Okay, Filipino blood. Okay, as you can hear, my daughter is okay. Speaking of my daughter, here's my auto of Rhea Ripley. Can you... Yeah. Oh, yan. Ayan. She's my daughter, Rhea Ripley. Okay. That's where we get her name. Okay. Rhea Ripley, Rhea Ripley. Okay. Next, we have the RK Bro. Okay. As you can see, bro, hopefully Matt Riddle will be back in WWE because I want to see them go together again before my idol Randy Orton, okay, retires after John Cena. So these are the Revolution, Panini Revolution autographs. Okay. Next, we have The Man, Becky Lynch, Stainless Stars. Okay, autograph. Okay, it's Panini Impeccable. Okay, Stainless Stars. Then the EST of WWE, Bianca Belair. Okay, authentic autograph card. Okay, Topps Undisputed. Next, we have El Campeon again, Punisher Martinez, Damian Priest, 60 out of 99. Roster autograph card from Topps WWE Chrome, Dominic Mysterio. Okay, signatures, Panini Select. Next, since I'm into superheroes, Hurricane, Legend, WWE, red autograph, and Nikki ASH, sensational autograph. Okay, I'm a fan of superheroes. And lastly, to complete my collection, Joe Harris. Okay, Panini NBA Hoops. Okay, autograph. Okay, and then the trophy collection. Okay, so that's all for today, mga ka-Health Hub. And these are my collections, as you can see. Okay, our room. Okay, and say bye-bye, Rhea Ripley. Until next time with our YouTube video. And here's my wife. Until next time. Whatever it takes. God bless. Bye-bye.